Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. As promised, I'm trying to give you guys weekly content. So today's video is all about Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Now the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel is located in Kingston, Jamaica. Now I'm not really a fan of hotels in Kingston simply because they are not all inclusive and the idea is to get away from Kingston, but Pegasus have some really cool specials that I think you guys should know about. Here are a few things about the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel that you probably didn't know. They now offer COVID testing. So if you need to get your COVID test done, you can get it done at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. They also have a weekend special. So if you're trying to escape, you're trying to have a getaway, but you don't want to travel outside of Kingston, you could probably take advantage of their special. It includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the cost is for 2 persons. They also have a Sunday brunch and weekly lunch specials that you can take advantage of if you're a foodie and you love to eat out. On Fridays, they have a line by the pool. So if you're looking for somewhere to hang and chill just before curfew, you can stop by the Pegasus on a Friday. They also have workspaces that you can book, and it starts as low as 4,500 Jamaican dollars. Now for a tour of the room, or the suite rather. The name of the suite is called the Trelawney Suite. This is the bathroom, and this area is just an area for us to, I guess, sit and eat. Then over here we have the kitchenette, and in here you'll find the mini fridge. You'll also find a microwave. You'll also find the coffee maker and kitchen utensils. Over here, Janelle is just showing us how to make coffee Jamaican style. Now, the suite comes with 2 bedrooms. This is the first one. Each room has a couch in it, as well as a desk and the bed, of course. The bathrooms aren't identical, so this one has a shower while the other one has a bathtub. Each room comes with a safe, and it also comes stocked with towels and toiletries as well. So we are now going for dinner. We are like a whole hour late because of Janelle.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Because my phone battery.
Yeah, whatever. So we're gonna go downstairs. The main restaurant is called the Blue Window. That's where we had breakfast and dinner. The menu can be found online and the prices are quoted in US currency. There's also a 24-hour cafe, a gift shop, an ATM, and a bar and lounge called Blends. Good morning. Alright, so it's about 5:30 here, or 5:40 here. I'm gonna go on the balcony to catch the sunrise. I'm gonna show you what that looks like.
Based on how dark it was.
Unfortunately, the sun decided to set on the other side of the building, so we didn't catch the sunrise. We totally got up early for nothing. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we're heading to the breakfast area. We were taking some photos before. I'll show you the photos in a few. But we're waiting on the first elevator. I don't know which song that is. Yeah. No. Oh, that's not what I heard.
Yes. Yeah.
For breakfast, I had egg in a hole with sausage, fruits, coffee, and orange juice. This is indeed a business hotel, so they encourage persons to wear a cover up while walking through the lobby and the general areas. There is a bathroom beside the pool, so you can always change there. There's also a bar by the pool. There's also a walkway where you can jog. There is a trail that you can jog on in the mornings if you want to exercise. There's also a gym and a tennis court, and then there's the garden area. So we're just here chilling by the pool, but it's very hot out, and I don't know, I'm just not feeling like going in the pool, and that's probably the perfect thing to do right now to cool down, to go in the pool. But I'm just not feeling the pool vibe right now. There's nobody here at the pool, so it's not crowded. It looks very enticing, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just chilling and looking around before I go back to the room, and then I have to check out by 1 p.m. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the view right now.